Most window cleaning door-to-door sales pitches sound like, hey, I'm selling you something, and that's why they get the door slammed. Our sales pitch doesn't sound like a sales pitch at all, just a casual conversation that makes the homeowner feel like I'm a regular neighborhood kid, not some sales guy. Today I'm breaking down the exact door-to-door sales pitch we use, why it works, and how can you book more jobs using it without sounding too salesy. My name is Daniel, I'm the owner of Transparent, the biggest window cleaning company in Massachusetts. Let's get into it. The most important part of the sales pitch is first 2 seconds when they see you. Here's what I do. When the door opens, I'm not standing right in front of their face. I'm about 8 to 10 feet away, slightly lean to the side, not staring at them like a hungry salesman. I'm just looking around, I'm just passing by. That's the whole goal. I want them to think, oh, this is just some regular neighborhood guy passing by. When they open the door, the energy matters the most. I go, hello, how's it going? Big smile, confident, calm, and friendly. Then I go straight into it. We are a few doors down at the Robinsons doing some of their exterior window cleaning. We are going to be back out here tomorrow. So we are taking $100 off the transportation fee for 2 more neighbors. When was the last time you had it done? Or have you seen us around for the last couple days? You can use these 2 questions and they work because it doesn't feel like I'm selling. It feels like I'm genuinely curious. And here's a huge detail. When I ask it, I'm not staring into their soul. I look around. Then if they say anything like, it's been a while, I immediately go into the next line. So this part is where most of the guys mess up. They go like, is it okay if I go around and give you a code? Would you like me to do it? No, you don't ask the homeowner. You tell them directly. Say, cool, what I've been doing for most of the neighbors is just walk around the house, count how many windows you have, and give you a quick estimate. And assume the close, break the eye contact, and start walking. And for this to actually work, you should have this mindset. Why would homeowner not want a free quote? You're already in the neighborhood, why don't just give a free estimate? Then grab their name. By the way, my name is Daniel, what was your name? Nice to meet you. And start the walk around. When I'm doing the walk around, I look for 2 things. Number 1 is something to compliment. Their backyard, their car, their garden, some of their decorations. And number 2, something specific about their windows. Hard water stains, some buildup, some spider webs, or just some dirty marks on the windows. Because when I come back, first I want to make the conversation real, and second, I want to build that pain point. When I come back, I don't just start that awkward conversation like, okay, windows. No, I go straight into it. I say, oh, I like your backyard, I like the tomatoes you're growing, or I like your car, what model is it? Quick, genuine 10-second conversation. Then I immediately transition into how we clean the windows. And keep it simple and visual. Usually I point directly at the window I'm talking about. And I say, a lot of window cleaning companies do just the glass with cheap squeegees, sometimes chemicals, and they ignore the details. We do it different. We scrub everything from top to bottom, then I hit the specifics. We do the frames, the exterior tracks, the sills, not just the glass. We brush off cobwebs, build up, and if there is any paint spots or bird stuff, we remove it with equipment that won't scratch your windows. And I explain why this matters. Because the biggest problem is when someone hires a cheap guy, they wipe the glass only, and then it rains and the dirt from the frames runs right back down on the windows. When I go, we use commercial grade equipment. Have you heard about DI water? If they say no, keep it simple. Basically, it removes all the minerals from the water, so the windows dry spot-free. We use carbon fiber water fat poles that reach up to 50 feet, so that we can safely clean high windows without ladders leaning on your house. And we don't use no chemicals, so it won't hurt your plants or garden. Then I go into price like it's normal. So usually for a home like this, it would be around $650, but since we are already here tomorrow, we are taking $100 of the transportation fee, so it would be just $550. Then I look at my phone. Don't stare at them, because staring creates pressure, and pressure creates, I'll think about it. Once they say yes, I put everything inside our Bluework CRM, which is the most affordable CRM for window cleaning. So I would put their name, ask for their phone number, ask them if tomorrow 1 p.m. for example would work for them, and put their estimate, and add any notes so I don't forget. And I do this every time, because if you don't lock it in or just put it in your notes app like everyone does it, you'll either lose it, your whole business will be a mess, or you will lose your potential recurring customer. And then another important thing, I don't just say okay, bye. I say, awesome, sweet, it will be one of my best service tags coming out. We do a full guarantee, so when we are done, just do a quick walk around with them before you pay, the way you're 100% satisfied. Perfect, we'll see you tomorrow, have a good one. And then you leave. So the last thing they think is, wow, that guy was cool and I don't even pay until I'm happy. that kills cancellations. If you want this exact pitch word for word, I've put a copy-paste version in the link down below, and comment what other video would you want me to film next.